announcement of third periodical test or third quarter done already. Then mag-start na punta sa atong fourth quarter. In a few days or months, fourth quarter na. Ano sa ganyan itong fourth quarter? April 9 10. Ano ba to? Something like that. Dahil, pinalaman kabulan, kung anak po, walay klase, bakasyon na. Okay. How are you now? What day is today? Ang tawag, today is Wednesday, February 12. And this coming Friday is Valentine's Day. Okay. So, our event this coming Friday is Valentine's Day. Okay. So, your teacher knows already what you are going to do on Friday. Okay, anyway, congratulations to all of us because we've done already our third